front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app. Now you can select Photos or Library to choose all of your pictures to delete. Let's start with Photos. You can click on all of those dots at the top right corners, or simply hold one of your photos and then click on the same dots. To exclude some of those pictures that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, use this bin at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete photos from Library, click on it, select one of your folders, and use the same dots. This time though, click on this bin at the top and confirm your choice in the same pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!